Well, here I am standing in front of the world famous Bridgeport Series 1. My hand on the quill handle. When it comes time to move the quill down for drilling or positioning, you have to take your hand off and reposition the hub there. For instance, all the way back up, you got to take the time to do that. We have an improvement in that. So if you take this off, and our new QuikTwist, which has a 1/2 inch quill handle itself, 3-pin design, and you'll notice a pin with the counterclockwise rotation of the handle. It'll do something that you'll see pretty soon here. With the the original quill handle removed, we'll place this on. Of course, this is predicated on having this as a clean surface here. You have to stone it for any bumps or marks. Now we have a spring, a Smalley spring, and a new attachment piece here, and with 5/16 screw, lock it on, and now you have your quill handle. Give a little quick twist of the handle, counterclockwise like you're unscrewing. You can rotate around. If you're drilling and you have to, and it starts to go up like this, you can reposition it. You continue drilling. When you come back up, it's out of position. Use quick twist, let go. It snaps back in. The spring snap it back in. Then you have the 3-pin drive for heavy dutiness. And that's it.